we're going to talk about the rotator cuff and all of those muscles that make our shoulder happily move in an externally rotated direction. Sometimes become tight, and it's not necessarily because they are the tight ones, but they're feeling weak compared to the tight muscles that are pulling them forward. However, it doesn't mean that a taut muscle or a stretched out muscle doesn't have trigger points. And that's the beauty of the trigger point work, is that you can pretty much know that if you find a tight spot and breathe on it, that it's going to be beneficial to you. So let's talk about different ways and tools that I use to work with the rotator cuff muscles. Here is a 6-inch foam roller, 6-inch width, 36-inch length. And specifically for the rotator cuff, I'm going to work with a Theracane because it gets to different angles and different locations that I'm unable to really work with in a foam rolling. We're going to put the foam roller at a little bit of an angle. It's not straight across here. So at that angle, it naturally sinks into my armpit, and I can sink into that. And rolling back and forth from that armpit area, if you don't find anything, you're just gonna move up a little bit. And you can use your body weight to push down, but if you need a little bit more, you can place your hand on your head. That just adds some more weight. And seeking out different areas, really right through here, you're feeling for your teres minor and teres major. And when you find that tight spot, whew, there it is. Right in the attachment, oftentimes muscles will have like 3 places that they'll be tight. The attachment, the origin, this is the places where they connect, or right in the muscle belly. You don't have to know the anatomy to get this right, because you can feel inside your body. And simply by exploring your body, you'll find that tight spot. And when you do, I just want you to relax into it, to breathe, and wait for the melting to happen, and then find the next spot. This tool here, the Theracane, is fantastic, especially when you know how to use it. So there's a muscle called the supraspinatus, and it runs across the shoulder, under and back out here. And this is part of the rotator cuff that oftentimes is very sore. So using your fingers before you engage with the Theracane, it's sometimes nice to just go back and forth and find where that tightness is. You may feel a little bit of your upper trap in here. Again, it's not necessary that you know all the anatomy. It's about knowing your body and feeling that, okay? Once you know that tight spot, you're gonna take the ball of the Theracane and you're gonna place it on the tight spot. Now your hand placement on the Theracane makes a big difference. I place my top hand on the stick that's pushing out, and my bottom hand goes underneath and pushes out while my top hand pushes down. By doing this, I can practically let go with the arm that I'm working with, the top hand, and use the bottom hand pushing out to really get the massage that I need. And that's really helpful, because if I were having to use this hand on the same shoulder that I'm rubbing extensively, I wouldn't be able to relax that shoulder as much. So it's more like you find that location that you first sought out with your fingers. I'm going to place a little pressure, but it's really the pushing out and holding. You can even choose to pin that upper trapezius and stretch away from it. Take a little breath and return. You never want to hold that for too long. Good. And then you can even take the Theracane and begin to feel behind the shoulder blade and work the places that you just can't easily get with the foam roller. The Theracane is a very inexpensive purchase and well worth it if you're dealing with shoulder problems. Again, if you haven't already watched my how-to foam roll video at the beginning of the series, I recommend that. There's a lot of tips and tricks and information that you should know before you engage in foam rolling any part of your body. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Leave me comments below of how this feels and how it's helped you in your life. Lots of love.